Today's video going to be replacing the window regulator, and the reason why you can see right here, it doesn't want to move. Right here you pull this cover off, shows the number 2 Phillips. Right here with this upholstery tool, you're going to want to pull out this cover. 2 10mm. With the upholstery tool, you're going to want to work your way around the bottom to unseat those clips. Pop this cover off. And right here you can unseat the door card and you lift it up off the top. These cables, you want to turn them 90 degrees and line up the slot to pull them out. Now you can remove this electrical connector. And right here I'm removing 2 Phillips screws that hold the window switch to the door card. This way we can test it with the door card out of the way. And as you can see, the button's not doing anything. 3 10mm bolts holding the motor. And right here you'll see that it'll start to move, but it'll stop, and it does that in both directions. Right here you just unplug the electrical connector, and we're going to swap out the motor for a new one. And you can see it free spins for more than 1 or 2 seconds without getting binded up. So now we'll put the motor back in, bolt it down. And right here we'll test the window before we put everything back on. Gonna put the 2 Phillips that hold the window switch back onto the card. And now the 2 door cables. Now the Phillips head. And the 2 10mm. And testing it one more time. And that's how you replace the window motors. Hopefully this video helped y'all. Y'all have a good one.